In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can change Zoom in Google Docs. So let's get started. So open your Google Docs. Okay, so we have this one from here. Now, in order to zoom this, you just need to simply look at the top. And here you can find all these options and you can find this zoom. Okay, so by default, this is 100%. So if you want to change the zoom in Google Docs, just need to simply click on this drop down arrow and you have a lot of choices from here. So the default one is 100%. So if you want to go with 90%, you can simply do that. If you want to go with 75%, you can simply do that. 50%, fit, okay? And you also have here 125%, 150%, and 200%. So that's how you can easily change the zoom in Google Docs. Now let me just go with the default one, which is 100%, okay? So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.